Both almond butter and peanut butter are nutritious options, but their health benefits differ slightly depending on your goals and dietary needs. Here's a comparison. Almond butter. Pros. 1. Higher in vitamin E. Almond butter is a rich source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that supports skin health and immunity. 2. More magnesium. It contains more magnesium, which is essential for bone health, energy production, and muscle function. 3. Lower in saturated fat. Almond butter typically has slightly less saturated fat compared to peanut butter, which may be better for heart health. 4. Low glycemic index. Almond butter has a milder impact on blood sugar levels, making it a good choice for managing blood sugar. Cons. Higher cost. Almond butter is often more expensive. Less accessible. May not be as widely available as peanut butter. Peanut butter. Pros. 1. Higher in protein. Peanut butter usually contains more protein per serving, which is beneficial for muscle repair and overall growth. 2. Affordable and accessible. It is generally cheaper and widely available. 3. Rich in niacin and folate. Peanut butter provides more of these vitamins, which support brain health and red blood cell production. Cons. Potential for additives. Some peanut butters contain added sugars, hydrogenated oils, or preservatives. Higher in omega-6. Fatty acids. While omega-6 is important, excessive intake without balancing omega-3 can promote inflammation, which is healthier for heart health. Almond butter wins due to its higher vitamin E and magnesium content and lower saturated fat. For muscle growth, peanut butter might be better because it has more protein. For blood sugar control, almond butter is preferable because of its lower glycemic index. For budget, peanut butter is more economical. Verdict: almond butter is slightly healthier overall due to its nutrient profile, but both are excellent choices in moderation. Opt for natural versions of either no added sugar or hydrogenated oils to maximize their health benefits.